Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza diary. Start by gathering a notebook, a pen, and your favorite pizza recipes or tasting notes. Label sections for dough, sauce, toppings, and tastings so you can find entries fast. Note ingredients, measurements, oven temps, and bake times for every trial. Rate each pizza briefly and add one photo or sketch. Review older entries to fine-tune methods and repeat success. Start by writing precise dough formulas and keep them next to tasting notes so results link to process. Measure ingredients with a scale and record hydration as a percentage to compare textures. Describe kneading, resting, and any punch downs or folds, plus fermentation length and temperature. Log oven setup, preheat time, and baking surface used. Over time, you will spot patterns and consistently reproduce your favorite crusts and textures. Adopt a compact rating system with clear criteria so feedback stays useful and fast. For each pizza, score crust, sauce, cheese, and overall flavor on a consistent scale, and add a short sentence about texture and another about taste balance. Note any changes you want for the next bake and tag entries as keeper or tweak. Over weeks, you will refine technique and know which adjustments reliably improve results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.